Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to search in group chats on WhatsApp using the PC app, thanks to the latest update. If you've ever struggled to locate specific messages in your group chats, this guide is here to save the day. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you're not logged in yet, simply scan the QR code on your screen using your phone to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see all your recent chats displayed. Now, look at the top of the screen. You'll notice a search bar. This is where the magic happens. Next to it, there's a small filter icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Groups. This step ensures that your search will be focused specifically on group chats, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Once you've selected Groups, click directly on the search bar itself. Now, type in the keyword or phrase related to what you're searching for. This could be anything: a name, a date, or even a specific word from an important conversation. As you type, WhatsApp will instantly filter through your group chats and display relevant results. Scroll through these results until you find the exact message or conversation you need. Once located, simply click on it to jump straight into that part of the chat. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can efficiently search for messages in any WhatsApp group chat on your PC. This feature is a game changer for staying organized and finding important information without endless scrolling. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.